Alright. The next procedure is prick and prime. She's going to take the vent pick, put it in there, and she's going to break open. Remember the round was in tin foil? She's going to break open a spot in the round. So when that fulminated mercury goes off and shoots the spark down, it's going to hit that spot that's opened up.
You were looking for Katie. Where's the lady looking for Katie? They're here.
Prick and prime. Now he's priming. Did you already prick it?
Ha! Call my wife in. Give my last
Okay.
Gun ready, Captain.
Thank you, Sergeant. Now we give the order what type of, actually before this point, we start what type of shot we're shooting. Afterwards you can see the different types of shells this gun would fire. There's like 4 different types.
showing you this year's.
Alright, prepare!
Prepare!
Everybody here.
Fire!